In this video, I will teach you how you can make money only through clicking various buttons on a website. What you need to do is to click a web page. After that, you just need to explore and browse the same page for at least 30 seconds. Once you are done, you will get paid for doing it. This is an online technique that will allow you to get paid by clicking on ads. So, stay tuned and do not forget to watch until the end of this video so that you will know all the necessary details about this internet hack. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. To start this technique, try accessing this website called Atticlicks.net. It will be one of the primary websites that we will use for this video. This page will show you proof of payments that various people received from this site. As you can see, someone earned $60 from this site. Meanwhile, another person made over $90 from this. Lastly, this guy was able to get more than $100 from doing this hack. A lot of people are earning daily from this site. Indeed, this site is very wonderful and amazing. The earning potential is really great considering that this is done online. The website also states that you can make money from completing various high-paying surveys, completing offers, referring others, participating in various contests, getting paid to promote, and having task bonuses. Try to scroll down on the page to see that you can actually earn up to $20 from completing surveys and offers each day. You do not need to worry as this hack does not require any prior experience or expertise. As you have noticed, this technique will certainly not make you rich. However, this will greatly help as a side hustle. You will be able to pay your bills and earn some comfort in your life when you do this method. Thus, make sure to watch until the end to see how genuine this website is. Well, Atticlicks has more than 200,000 members. As the day goes by, it continuously increases. In this platform, you also have access to see all the ad visualizations, offers, and payments that this website has engaged in the past. This will give the site its legitimacy because there are proofs that it's been running for a long time already. Aside from that, there are tons of people who are already making money from this application. Thus, you shouldn't be worried about getting scammed because this is a legitimate website. This site allows you to choose the payment method that you prefer. If you do not want to get paid through PayPal, there are other options available for you. In just a minute, I will show you how you can set up your own account. I will also tell you how you can make sure that the money that you will earn will be converted to the currency of your voice. To do this, just click the register button at the upper right corner of the web page. After that, you will be redirected to another page where you are required to input the necessary details such as your name, preferred username, birth year, and birthplace. You will also be asked to tick this box to verify that you are not a robot. You also need to agree to the page's terms and conditions. After that, you just need to push the register button. Once you're inside your account, you will see your dashboard. It will also show your main balance. There is a button below that you can use to withdraw your earnings. Aside from that, you will also be able to view your purchase balance, rented referrals, and direct referrals on this site. Now, look for the button that says Earn Money. to stay making money with this website. There are many options that you can go with on this site. However, we will focus on viewing ads for this video. Press this thing that says View Advertisement. You will be redirected to another page where you can access various advertisements. To see the advertisements, make sure to tick this CAPTCHA test right here. After that, you will see the ads that you need to view. Now, you are required to stay at this page for at least 30 seconds. You do not need to press anything nor register on the said site. However, you need to scroll down and explore the page to make it valid. It will indicate that you are really doing something with the website. Thus, you will not be flagged as a machine. Being flagged as a robot will not make you earn money online. Thus, make sure to explore this for at least 30 seconds to earn money from this method. Now, there is also another way to make money online. You can earn money by trying various types of offers and games on this site. ATI surveys are known to be one of the highest paying surveys out there. You just need to provide your opinion about something and you will earn money from doing that. They have some of the best research panels and providers that you can utilize to earn money online. Aside from that, they also provide new ways to earn money every day. The earning potential for this site is really amazing, right? You can make as much as $10 per survey. Paulfish offers $8 per survey. Meanwhile, Wana ads can pay you as much as $5 per survey. Lastly, OfferToro offers the largest amount with $30 per survey. These sites will allow you to earn money from doing simple tasks online. Now, just try to do as many offers as you can to earn more money online. You can make up to $40 per task. Thus, you can take home a great amount of money just by following this method. Lootably will pay you about $30. The rest of these sites are willing to pay $10 to $80 for each completed task. Once you receive your earnings, you can already withdraw it using these various payment methods. It is really simple and amazing, right? Again, just go to Earn Money tab. Then, click AdSend Media. You will get redirected to another page where they have various offers and surveys that you can easily do. You can watch videos, take surveys, do shopping, access free trials, sign-ups, and mobile installation. To get started, you need to make a market research profile by choosing the best answers. Once you're done, you are good to go. Now, here is a list of payments that they have sent out for today. As you can see, this is a really excellent way of earning money online. The only investment that you need to give is your time and effort. There is no capital investment needed. Thus, you can already start making money online as soon as you finish this video. Now, choosing AdSend Media in the Earn Money tab will make you specify the type of device that you are using. After doing so, they will provide you with various options that you can go about. Basically, you need to answer some questions from these options. After that, you will make money online. If you want to earn more money, then continuously do these offers below. Spending some time and effort on this method will yield a great amount of money. Thus, what are you waiting for? Start your own online money-making journey now. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.